everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alex, and if you've never seen me before, then joke's on you, your life just got better. Today we're gonna be doing a closet transformation, and a little thing about me that I'm sure you guys don't care to know is that I strictly rely off of the idea of organization and just having a space that feels easy and accessible, and my environment means a lot to me. So I've been living in this house for like a little bit less than a year. I moved in last year in May, and this is my closet. I haven't been able to organize this closet very efficiently simply because there isn't enough space to put my clothes apart from on a hanger or on top of this wired shelf. The goal today is to clean out the closet and create a shelf on the closet so that I have more areas to store things, organize things, and also make things more aesthetically pleasing, which is a goal of mine. Down there, all I had were these three crates, I guess we'll call them. I have like comfortable clothes, sweatpants, hoodies, and gym clothes in these. And what's in here? iPad, first generation. I also found some shoes. These I for sure will not be using in my lifetime. I mean, if I took up running, who knows? I have an old pair of heels that I wore to prom actually. And then my old cheer shoes. Now we have to make some space and move everything to a different area. I'm also gonna take some of the clothing out that kind of gets in the way, like this longer dress. Okay, so now that we've done that, it's time to do the most important part, I'd say, which is build a shelf so that we can reorganize everything that's gonna go back inside. My goal is to also remove everything that's on the top shelf here and find a new place for basically everything apart from what's hanging, because that is fine. But because I don't know how to build a shelf myself, we needed to get a helping hand, and luckily I know the perfect person. Hi. Welcome. My construction man. What's going on? Is this hard?
No. I'm trying to think how the wood will fit.
You know, I was thinking the exact same thing. Can you walk us through what the game plan here is? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna let you do it because I'm just confused.
Good idea. Metal. What? No way, it landed right on that. You see that? Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Like that. Means there's a stutter there.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, off to Home Depot. The sun's out for us today.
Yeah, I don't know if you can buy this at Home Depot.
Sorry? Where else would we buy it? First option is that we get it from Home Depot, like a slab of wood.
A slab of wood?
You know, the way that I'm envisioning this little DIY project and you are is probably very different.
It's a lot different.
Yeah. Personally, I don't know what I'm doing. Come this way, everyone. Ooh, I found it right here, this one. It's 29.9 centimeters by 121. Oh, Dante.
What?
What if we have to saw it?
You saw it.
Well, I don't have a saw.
Why didn't you tell me to bring a saw?
Dante, this was your, I've been paying you for this.
What? This is freelance, bro.
Freelance?
Yeah, it's freelance for free. Then.
Yeah, this is pro bono. Look, this is 47.8 inches. It says it right there. Don't make me do it to you.
Do what?
Hold on. We're doing a really good job here.
Hey, man. Hi, excuse me.
Laundry room things.
Okay, I'll try. Alright.
Thank you.
Would you look at that? We're in luck. Look at these bathrooms. Oh, sorry. Hold on. So look.
What about this one?
There he is. These are fucking huge, huh?
Did I just empty out my closet for no reason and start this video for no reason and do all of this for no reason?
Do you have no way to cut it? You have nothing in your house, even a handsaw?
No, I don't think so.
There's actually a chance they'll cut it here.
Really?
Yeah. What was the measure? Just like say that bullshit.
are you guys? How have you guys been? Would you like to hire service? Because clearly we have a very experienced member right here if you guys want. I'll link the Yelp page down below.
Shelf.
Does that mean that we have to put the shelf in now?
Yeah.
Let's get this bad boy in there, yeah? He's a magician!
Wow, this watch is so cool. Man.
And the shelf is completed. Gorgeous, perfect, exactly what I need. Super spacious underneath, super spacious on the top.
I would win Crazy Hair Day right now.
You would win Crazy Hair Day. Jimmy Neutron, is that you?
Yeah.
I love Jimmy Neutron. So, it's the next day, I'm fresh and I'm ready to reorganize. I threw everything in here yesterday because it was all scattered across my room, but I obviously didn't organize anything. So we're gonna have to bring all this shit out. I'm a little bit lost on what I should do with these baskets, if I should put my bags and extra things in the baskets or keep the bags on the shelf, just organize them prettier. There's a lot to think about, there's a lot to figure out. I do have another wicker baskets or whatever the fuck they're called up here. We basically just have a lot of reorganization to do, and I think for right now I'm just gonna take everything off the shelves. Okay, so my idea right now of what I'm doing, I'm trying to organize my sweats and hoodies and crew necks that I use pretty often. I'm gonna keep them on the shelf and I'm gonna try to color coordinate those. I'm really bad at folding, so it looks a little wonky, but I'm gonna organize it by color the same way that this is organized by color, so it looks super cohesive. I want to empty out one of these crates to put extra bags that I don't use. Actually, I need to put all the bags in there. I don't even have any other space for them. I have so many things that I don't use in here too, like Jingle My Bells. When was the last time I used this? I don't know, I might need it for Christmas next year. And I'm still gonna color coordinate everything. This is a box that I probably need to get rid of some stuff. It's a lot of my summer clothes. Like this belt, I swear my mom put it in my closet. I never wanted that. I was looking for this literally yesterday. My camera strap. I knew it was in there. 2 boxes done. I'm gonna make this one for my bags. Okay guys, I think we've done it. Here's a little closet tour. I decided to organize all of my boots and heels up here. This part didn't really change much. So I start off black, then we go into browns, the beiges. On this side, it comes to a little bit of color. I don't have too many colored things. Gray, white, cream, and then blue with the jeans. Now down here, I color coordinated it exactly the same. We got black, grays, browns, my lighter colors, darker blue, and then the like pale gray and whites. Now at the very bottom with these crates, this is a great place to organize, and because the shelf is a little further back, I have a visual of like everything that's inside of here. These are all of the sweats and hoodies that I don't use that often, are a little bit like older and like wouldn't look as nice on the shelves. These are all my summer things. I have like accessories and hats in the back, but for the most part it's shorts, skirts. I also put my gym bag to the left. This is just so that's not sitting in my room. I basically use it every day, so it's nice that it has like a little slot here. It's from Amazon for anyone wondering. I'll have it linked. Now we have my gym clothes on this side. All of my little purses and stuff sitting in here so that I have easy access to it. Before, they were literally just thrown in the back of the closet. So then we've got the bigger purses that couldn't fit in the box, a laptop case, and a couple of mini tripods. I'll also put my bigger tripods in this area too. So that's a transformation of the closet all said and done. And I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. It definitely gives me a lot more useful space and less clutter. So I'm very happy about that. I also got rid of a bunch of shit that I didn't actually need in there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being a part of this journey with the building and the helping hand of Dante and my crew. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I make so many videos that you guys can binge watch if this is your first time seeing me. I also have an Instagram, TikTok, and a podcast that's out. So check the links down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Come on in. There's plenty of room. This is gonna be a problem.
What's gonna be a problem?
Let me teach you what I did quick.
No.
Okay. No, let me actually teach
Now
you.
you
It's good
level
to
it.
know.
No, I get it. I get it. I
You
get
don't
it.
get it.
I do.
You don't get it.
I do get it.
You stupid.